Morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning, USA. Let me share this in the group chat. Uh-oh, GME. That's funny. Alrighty, let me post this in the comment signals. Alright, gotta do that. Good morning, good morning. All right. Gonna go get some water. Be right back. All right. Good morning. Okay, so we basically hit. I was saying we would have hit at least 392.50. We're above that now. So now, as we get closer, to 393.70, that's when things get a little shaky. But 393.70, if today we break above 393.70, we could be bullish. But as we get closer to 393.70, the markets have to basically make a decision. I'm good. I don't believe in sickness. We're good. I'm very, very excited. So I have something to share with you guys. So, so basically, very, very soon, I'm gonna be launching a product that is in direct competition with multi-billion-dollar companies, and basically, like, to have meetings and to be like to have meetings, even just to even like be in the same conversation with CFOs, CTOs of large corporations. It's it's from where I started, back and forth between Jersey City and Brooklyn. Single mother. If I could do it, anyone could do it, honestly. And I'm very excited with what's in store very soon. I'm gonna share that with you guys a bit more on Discord. I have like videos and everything we're gonna be posting as well. But things are gonna get very, very interesting. So yeah, like I said, as we were getting closer to 390, 370, things are getting harder to be bullish. But above 390, 370, that's when things can get very, very interesting. But yeah, man, I'm very, very excited, man. We're gonna really, really force the hand of legacy businesses. And my friends are like the ones that know what this is about. They're like, it was nice knowing you. Because this is the stuff that people get for. But nothing like that is ever gonna happen when you have God on your side. And it's beautiful. So I'm very, very excited, man. I'm blessed and honored that there's people even watching me live stream my trades and trust me enough to learn. It's crazy, crazy, crazy experience. But what I will say is just keep your head down and keep working, and have unwavering faith and belief that whatever you're working on is going to work. Before you even have a chance of seeing any sort of success, you need to have belief that whatever you're working on, regardless of what it is, it's going to work out. So yeah, man, I'm very excited. Very, very excited, man. And the amount of people it's going to help it's going to be crazy. So that's what we're looking to do, man. That is what we're looking to do. I'm going to share more details very soon. And yeah, my team and I are going to be very, very excited to share very, very soon. Microsoft is so strong. Amazon's doing really well because it also gets affected by the IWM and retail, and the IWM is it's continuing to lead. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna explain what's going on and everything. I can't share too much, but it's all a part of a plan. And there's, like I said, everyone that's watching and everything. I've been saying for months, everyone that's watching is very, very early to what's happening. And yeah, man. Regardless, man, none of this would be possible without you guys. And I am gonna be eternally grateful. And we're all gonna go. We're gonna buy out hotels. We're gonna have like a retreat together. I want to do that like once a year. That'd be dope. All of us together, having like a good vacation time. It's gonna be awesome, man. Lots to come. Lots to come, man. Things are gonna be very dicey up here. But man, I can't wait to see if the market breaks above 392.70 and how it reacts. If that happens, then we could see 295 very, very easily. Hmm. We'll see how this plays out over here. It's risky to try to go long here, but it could work, but it's risky, so it's not worth taking right now. Let's wait for a better setup. Show some strength first before we go. I'm gonna go very light on these plays. So today's not a day to break the bank or anything on anything. Let's take SPY calls 392 stop. Go light. Not really seeing a push that I like. VWAP is acting as resistance. 392.50 is also resistance. But the NASDAQ is breaking above the 10 SMA. This isn't really showing as much strength as it should. But, yeah. Yeah, I really don't like this setup. So I have a stop loss at 0.78. So this is going to be a very, very tight trade. I have a stop loss at 0.78. All right, never mind. We don't need a stop loss. Take profit, take profit, take motherfucking profit. Leave runners. Very simple. Nice. All we were doing was we were waiting for some sort of strength and we mitigated our risk to the downside. That's it. Very simple. Can I call it a stream? Okay, take care. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, man. Beautiful. Holy crap, GameStop is popping off. I told you guys, man. I told you guys, man. I told all of my... Bro, I told everybody about GameStop. I told you guys. The original contracts that were down like 40% are up 40%. And then if you average down, those are up 60%. Easy money, guy. What do you want to do? What are you going to do? What are you going to do? Oh, dear. Oh, my God. Beautiful. Everyone should be up like 20%, so make sure you guys take profits. Leave runners, and now basically as long as this remains above 392.30, 392.40-ish. Damn. That's going to be interesting. I hope it stays above that. So now you could keep a stop loss for break even or remain in profit. But yeah, man, nice little 20% play. Working out. I'm telling you guys, 393.70 is a very, very important level. So as we get closer to that level, we need to, so basically what we need to see, I'm saying this before it happens, like if, right, what you guys need to look for is we need a solid push above 393.70 and then some sort of, oh man, this is showing some strength as well. It's continuing to show strength. Crap, wow. We held 393.40. We never closed below. It's continuing to go up. Ooh. Oh man, where is... Oh, beautiful. What a blessing. What a blessing, man. $0.80 to $1. $1.05. We could see a push to 393 if this strength continues, but today's not a day to overtrade. We just have to pick our trades and battles very wisely. Wow. This is a very interesting strength. This is very interesting strength. Too late to get in GME? Yeah. I wouldn't do it right now. IV is probably going to be really, really high. It's not worth it. Unless you want to go... Yeah, I don't even know, to be honest. But on days where like meme stocks and everything move up over 10%, IV's, oh my god, it's at $20. As long as the SPY now can hold above 392.60. Wow, what a... I mean, we caught the move up, but this is, like I said, this is going to be a really like interesting day today. We get to the upper level of the range, resistance and everything. It's just start showing stagnation. I have to ask my friend how he feels about GameStop. I told him to go long. He's like, stop being an ape. I gotta do a little trash talking real quick. Okay. Trash talking done. Listen, if you guys, it's according to your risk tolerance and your account size. All right. So depending on how, first of all, it's good to always take profits. These contracts, if you got them at the moment when I typed them in the Discord, these are up 50%. So these are up because I was buying throughout the day. We got them around like the upper 60s and low 70s. So they're at $1.10 now. So yeah, I mean, look, that's a really good amount of profit. So you should definitely, do what you want. Like, this is up 50%. What do you want? But I'm holding some because I am gonna hold for like a few 100%, but I don't want that decision to like make you guys it's always good to take profit. That's what I'm saying. It's always good to take some profits. Because if you don't take profits and then these end up going red again, you're gonna regret it. And then after that, because these are for April, I'm not selling my entire position until we get like either like GameStop has to like capitulate, or I think that GameStop, it's going to by like January's end or February's end, or even I think that GameStop can hit like 30 something. So I could be completely wrong, but so far we're up over 50%. So, do what you want. For April, $45 calls, man. Like, we got them for April 20 something, April 21st, 45. And I got 45, and yeah, I think I said $45 calls, right? Yeah, I said 45 and $50 calls. The original reason why I entered into GameStop was because like seasonality, as well as there was a lot of short interest. And usually January is basically like a very, very good month for penny stocks, right? And because January is a very, very good month for penny stocks, the IWM has a really, really good month as well. GameStop, AMC, BBBY, all of these stocks are heavily influenced by the IWM. So if the month where the IWM and the Russell does really, really well, coupled with the fact that GameStop is heavily manipulated, all this stuff combined, it was just a very beautiful little opportunity. Plus, this was April $45 calls. So, $45 to $50 calls. So, like, good trade. Very, very high quality trade. We weren't risking too much. We weren't being stupid with our money. And worked out. All right. Let GameStop do its thing. Let's come back to the SP500. But yeah, no one ever went broke taking profits. That's one thing to realize. All right. So if you can afford it, I mean, obviously, whatever, I'm not your financial advisor. This isn't financial advice, but it's like, if hypothetically you were holding a position that's up like 50 to 80 to 90%, right? It's always a good thing to let runners ride. I always say to let runners ride, right? So see how far it goes, because also letting your profits ride is also another portion of trading. It's like a skill that you have to build. So and it, like, the lack of doing that stems from fear, right? So if you think about it, it's like you throw, like, whatever, a lot of money into a position and you want to just make quick money, but sometimes, like, you see it just continue flying. That's why it's very important to always hold runners, so that as you see it flying, you don't chase. Well, yeah, mate, worked out very well. What a hater. His response was, you could have made more from Mara. Man, shut up. Throw some ape emojis at him. So basically, the initial portfolio allocation to any position on your account. One second. We might have to go long. One moment. Damn. Hmm. We have to go long, unfortunately. Let me just see how this plays out. Uh, let's see. Lord, give me a sign of why we shouldn't go long. This is I'm not even gonna take it. Whatever. Even if it pops up, I won't look. It's just not a high quality setup, even if it works. But it's a very, very. Ugh. Let's see. So basically, what I'm doing is I'm looking at the high of yesterday's candle. I don't think it was. What was it yesterday? No, so it was the high of Monday's candle, 393.70. That's gonna be like the make or break, very important level of resistance. I come for the trading, but stay for the size and tongue clicking asthma. Yo, what the hell? No, yeah. So basically, if for the first hour or two, I don't just look at the charts. Usually, I mean, we have a bunch of trades to make, but there aren't a lot of high quality setups, so there's no point of really over trading. That was a really like the fact that that bounced. The reason why I didn't want to enter was because it would take like a lot of buying pressure for that level to hold. That's why I just didn't even bother taking it. But the fact that it bounced off of that level, man, that's a really, really big deal. That's very, very, that's like abnormally strong. So you can't trade based off of abnormalities, which is why I didn't take it. But it is what it is. Um, Normally, we should see a retest of like 392.50. It should just keep falling. But hesitant to enter short because a few minutes ago we just saw a lot of buying pressure. Yeah, guys. 393.70 is very, very important. If we could break above 393.70, if we can clean break above 393.80, we can definitely see some more room to the upside. Plus, we have CPI data coming out tomorrow as well. So today's chop is it's what's the word for like bound to happen? Whatever that word is. It's inevitable, I guess. Things look bearish. Once again, holding this level of support would show a lot of buying pressure. I don't think that would happen. We could have went short on the big red candle, but I didn't want to chase. It is what it is. Let's take SPY calls. $392 stop. This can hold this level. It could continue going up. Calls are moving very poorly in accordance to the stock price. So if we can continue going up within this minute and the next minute, then the call prices will start paying better. I have a stop. I'm gonna have a stop loss for 0.66. And then we could revisit whether we're gonna re-enter or not. So I'm mitigating my risk on this. We need to see a continued move up, but I'm not getting married to the position, you know. So this is really bad price movement in accordance to the option price. See if we get an explosive move up during this, like, next minute. Such a disgusting, it's really bad. Like, there's all right. I'm gonna sell for a small loss, even though we're holding above levels of support. The initial reason why we entered was because upward pressure. We're not seeing that upward pressure anymore. This is a small loss. We had to mitigate our losses and everything, but we have to take stabs at the plays when they come. Let's see if we can get a retest. A re-entry point. Let's take calls again. Cool. VWAP and 392.50 is acting as resistance. I don't like the stagnation. I'm going to take some profit and then I have the rest for 0.7 stop. You have to enter when the plays come, just mitigate our risk to the downside. That's it. If they're gonna rip it up, it has to be now. So that's why we're long, basically. Good. They're making it very difficult. Like, usually this move would have skyrocketed already. But a win is a win. Now, as long as this holds above 392.45, 44, it's going to continue going up. But make sure you guys have solidified profit. We're not seeing a lot of buying pressure. Like, we did have that little pop, but I'm just gonna sell and profit and then wait for another opportunity. Small gain on this. Let's see if we can get a re-entry point. I want to see substantial buying pressure before sticking to a side. You can see the calls are barely even losing value. But that isn't always an automatic reason to remain long. Gives comfort in terms of wow. It gives comfort in terms of holding your position. But if we don't see the underlying stock showing substantial buying pressure, then even if contracts are holding value well, it's not a reason to this isn't an automatic. This isn't really that bullish an opportunity to go long. Let's see. So you can see at the point when we entered, the contracts aren't even down 10%. But when they do that, it sets up, as I was speaking about it, it sets up for a big move down, for a big drop in the option premium. So the first few moments of like, oh wow, the contracts are only down 1%, 2%. You know, I usually have a 10% stop loss. When we don't see follow through in the underlying price while the opposite direction is holding value, this is what happens. See a big move to the downside. It's too early to go long. Be very risky to try to go long right now. What we would first want to see is we want to see a this is going to be the riskiest trade so far. All right, so you don't even need to take this or just go light. It's a very whatever. Let's take SPY calls. 391.40 stop. Very, 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 very risky. Ooh. I'm selling some. I don't like this chop. Selling some. Sold some on that little pop. And now for the rest. As long as 391.50 holds, this is just going to continue up. But the speed at which the moves are not happening is problematic. This is going to be a very important candle. So now we basically have to see if they're going to reward people going long on a bullish setup right now. But I have a 0.81 stop for the rest. Now's the time to give a good pop, MMs. Now is the time. If you're going to give a pop, it has to be now. Pile on the money right now, MMs. It has to be now. It has to be now. Keep piling it on. I'm taking some more profit. I'm not expecting them to continue moving up. Okay. There has to be another pop right now if they're gonna give it. If we get a pop, it's gonna pop to the 200 SMA at 392.10. But this minute is gonna be very, very important. Make sure you guys have your stop loss to remain in profit. Yeah, guys. Just every time I do this too, every time I want to just leave, we end up having a huge move. Last trade, SPY calls 391.70 stop. The original position is up almost 20%. Give me that 200 SMA. It has to be now. They're just making it take so long. They faked people out, made people bearish. Now's the time to rip it above 392.10. I'm gonna sell this for a small gain. I'm gonna head out. For CPI for tomorrow, most likely what I'm gonna do is so first of all, for this position, I'm gonna have a stop loss at break even, and then whatever happens happens. I'm gonna leave whatever. So for CPI, probably gonna buy an out the money call and an out the money put, probably like 3 points out, and probably like 4 or 5 points out, and one of them is going to be more than 100%, most likely. So if one of them is more than 100%, then it's going to be a profitable trade. So the downside risk is most likely going to be like 30 to 40% on the position. So you shouldn't, it's going to be a complete lotto. So but yeah, made some decent trades. Made money today. This one's still working out. The one we bought down at 391.60 is still doing well as well. But I re-entered because I sold so much of it already. I wanted to find another buying opportunity. So this new play, as long as it remains above 391.80, it should be good. But come on. Okay. Making me wait ages. Making us wait ages over here. All right. Good trade, whatever. The originals are up 25%. I sold way too much. It would have been a nice little play, but this new trade, it's up 12. We hit the 200 SMA. Actually, if this holds above 392, if this holds above 392.05, then this could really, really rip up. Interesting. It's 11:12. I have to do some things. But this is setting up for a retest of VWAP. Yep. Let's see if we continue up. Calls are starting to pay poorly as the prices are moving up. So generally, that's a good sign that we should continue moving up. So let's see. Nice. Perfect. Very, very nice. Drop some ones in the chat if you guys made money. Throw some ones in the chat if you guys made money on these plays, man. Thank God I re-entered, man. If I didn't re-enter into that other position and I just let the freaking garbage runners, oh my God. Jeez. Wow. Now the calls are starting to pay really, really well. Nice. If you're still holding on to the original, they're up over 60%. If you bought the other rebuy, they hit 50%. So now you guys, definitely take some profits, leave runners, and as long as this remains above 392.40. It's starting to look like a good short, but profit is profit. I hope you guys made money. Easy money. I mean, honestly, like, we were patient throughout this entire time and it worked out. Yeah, man. Cool. All right, guys. Take care. Love you guys. Thank you guys for all your love and support. I have to do. Hope you guys have an amazing day. Ended the day off really well. Made some solid trades. Love you guys. Take care.